Hi there, my name is Jonathan from the education team here at Shortcuts. In this short video, I'm just going to show you how you can use the resources available to you on our website to send a email to a client. Now, this will be the group of clients that we created down in Shortcuts Fusion. So what you'll need to do is go to your marketing platform in your Cloud Appointment Book. From the left-hand side here, we're going to select our targeted campaign. And from the bottom middle of the screen, we're going to click on New. This will bring up our blank template. We can just delete the targeted campaign heading there, and we'll just pop in there, COVID-19 update. I'm going to schedule this one for 9 a.m. tomorrow morning and open up email. We want to display our logo. If you want to display an image, you can. Just go choose file. It will open up your database. Now, please make sure that that image is 600 by 300. Then in our subject, we're just going to put in the COVID-19 update from. Then you obviously put in there your business name. The body of the email. Now, what you can do, you can go over to our resource hub. So at shortcuts.com.au, there's a dedicated COVID-19 area. Go to the communication kit, and there's the email templates. So there's two templates currently in here at the moment. So one is if your business is open, but you want to relay to your clients that you are taking measures around their safety. And the second one is if, sadly, you need to close your business. So what we're going to use, we're going to take the first one. So literally just going to copy that all the way down. Control and C to copy, and Control V just to get that information into the email there. Now, please go through if you want to just double check that you're happy with everything. You can change the spacing if you wish and edit that email. Then further down, I'm not going to include any type of offer. So for this template, I'm just going to remove the offer and the booking. Now we need to choose the file. So this is the file that we created in Shortcuts Fusion for our targeted marketing group. So I'm just going to click on choose file. There's my file. If I just double click, you can see that that's now uploaded. I will choose preview first. That's what you'd want to do. Double check that you're happy with that. Click on send a test. So you've got the option then just to put your email in there. So pop your email address in and click on send. You can do one email address at a time if you need to send it to multiple. Just pop one in, press send, and then just do that again as many times as you need to. When you're happy with that, come over to click on activate. So this will just double check with you that the schedule for this email is on the 24th, which is tomorrow at 9 a.m. And then I'll click on activate. So that's all done now. My campaign is ready to go. So that will just go out tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Okay, hope you found that useful. Thank you very much.